you finish for order, they will say, the staff will say like this to you. 少々お待ちください。少々お待ちください。Which means, please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. 少々 is mean a little bit, right? Or a moment. お待ちください which means, please wait. So this is the polite form. You should remember the expression like 少々お待ちください which means, please wait a moment. And after that, when after you're drinking something and you want to order again, or you need more extra, you can say like もう一杯追加でお願いします。もう一杯追加でお願いします。Which means, I would like to have an extra shot of espresso. もう一杯 which means one more again, one cup, right? Even you say about the cup, so they will say 一杯, right? So 一杯 is mean one cup, and 追加 is mean extra, and でお願いします is mean please, which mean please give me a cup of coffee more, or please give me more a cup of coffee. Or you can say like, I would like to have an extra shot of espresso. Actually, espresso is the name of the coffee. So you should say about the name of the coffee too.